Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we've got something a little bit special hiding behind here. We're just going to go in and have a look. Let's get this door open. Just bear with us, guys. Look at that Mk1 Golf GTI. Been sat here for an eternity in this building. Now I'm going to get round this the best I can for you. It's been sat here for a number of years. It's quite dark in here, so we'll just give you a quick glance there. We'll come back to the inside in a minute. Still got stuff thrown on the roof from when it was last been seen and messed with in this building many years ago. Just got a bit of a torch here so you can see. Try and get round this side so we can have a better look. There's stuff everywhere in here, so it's difficult to show you everything. A bit of surface rust here and there, but it has been sat here a long time. Let's come back round the other side and have a look inside. Look at that. Let's see if we can get in. See if this door opens. Oh, so it needs a bit of WD-40 on the door hinges there. There you go. Look at that in there. Our little four-legged friends have been living in here by the looks of it, living in luxury. So, just try and show you. See if we can see the mileage. Well, whether that's true or not, it's showing at 46,000 miles. But still got the clocks down there and the original gear knob. Sorry for the light in here, guys, but it is very dark and there's no lights in the building. Let's have a look under the bonnet if we can get under there. I have released it. Okay, let's have a look. Hey, it's not bad at all under there, to be honest. Not bad at all. Obviously there is corrosion, there will be. It's been sat here a very long time. 25 years plus. So considering the length of time it's been sat, she's not bad. Let us know what you think anyway, guys. This one definitely needs saving, surely. Edge of the bonnet's not overly bad. Let's see if we can see in the boot. It's very dark in here though, so. Oh, it is open. I have to rest that on my head. There you go. Still got the GTI badge on the grille. Definitely needs saving, this one. And there you go, Mk1 Golf GTI. Let us know what you think in the comments.